So, Dr. Batra, how can everyone spring clean their wellness when it comes to our beauty routines and body?
Well, so I'm actually going to give you two fun tips. And first off, Drew, we're going to talk about tongue scraping. So this is actually practiced around the world. This has been a staple in South Asia based on Ayurveda for centuries. I actually started doing this when I was 5. And the idea is you can get these stainless steel scrapers where you go back on the tongue and you scrape off the debris after you brush your teeth. And the idea is it gets food particles, it gets dead skin cells, it may even remove some yeast if you're prone to candida. So what you do, Drew, I'm going to have you grab one. I know we sent you one to try.
What I do for national TV.
Yeah. In fact, I'm going to switch over so I have the same one as you.
Okay.
And you can see there's kind of still smooth an edge to this. And the
Yes.
idea is you go back on your tongue, not so far back that you gag, okay? But just enough that you feel comfortable. And you're going to go from back to front. And if you were sitting at a sink, you might want to rinse it off. If not, you can go back and do a couple rounds of this and just keep checking in the mirror. When it looks kind of normal red color to you and you've gotten any coating off, then you're done. Rinse it off, let it air dry so no yeast or bacteria accumulate on it. And then I usually take a toothbrush and about once a week brush it down with my toothpaste as well. So that's kind of a spring cleaning for your tongue.
All right, you're not done yet, Dr. Patra. What do you have for us?
So the second tip is actually about your scalp, and that's because even if you use great shampoo and conditioner, those chemicals can accumulate over time. So one thing, if you're thinking about spring, is maybe just adding in a mask for your hair and your scalp that's going to get rid of some residue, get rid of clogged pores actually on your scalp. And so one of my favorite DIYs is using bentonite clay. You can add in some apple cider vinegar, which has some natural antibacterial, anti-yeast effects, and then even aloe vera gel. And we're going to actually have a recipe for a DIY mask on our website. But this is something that you would just massage through your scalp and hair. But because these are all natural ingredients, do patch test them, especially if you have sensitive skin, just a little bit on your jawline once a night for 5 nights before you start leaving it on your head, because natural things can certainly trigger reactions.
Yes, and warn those that are around you that you're doing stuff to yourself before they say, "What the heck are you doing?" But I like all these tips because they're natural remedies to problems that we all have. When it comes to beauty, Dr. Batra's got it.